Want to boost your content's reach? Discover how to pick trending hashtags in just 20 seconds. Hashtags are essential for visibility. Learn a quick trick to find what's hot right now. Stop guessing. This method will show you exactly what's trending and how to use it. It's a simple, effective method that anyone can use to stay on top of social media trends. First, open your social media app and navigate to its Search or Explore page. This is where the magic begins. Next, locate the Trending or Popular section. Most platforms have a dedicated area for this. Scan for hashtags that show high engagement, like lots of likes, comments, and shares. These are the truly active topics. Always check if the trending hashtag is relevant to your content. Don't just pick something because it's popular. Make sure it fits. Finally, copy the trending hashtags and paste them directly into your post. It's that simple. By following these quick steps, you'll significantly increase your content's visibility and reach. It's fast, it's easy, and it's effective. This simple trick helps you stay relevant and expand your audience. What are you waiting for? Try this trending hashtag trick today and watch your engagement grow.